Hi all, my name is Vaishnavi, currently pursuing MBA in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am explaining about classification of overheads. Introduction. Overheads is a context of business and accounting referred to indirect costs or expenses that are not directly tied to the production of goods or the provision of services. This cost can't be easily traced to a specific product, service or unit of production. Instead, overheads are incurred for the overall support and management of the business. Functional classification. Production overheads, costs related to manufacturing activities such as factory rent, maintenance, and depreciation of production equipment. Administration overhead, costs associated with general management and administrative functions such as salary of non-production staff, office rent, and utilities. Selling and distribution overheads, costs linked to marketing, selling, and distribution activities, including sales force salaries, advertising expenses, and transportation. Behavioral classification. Fixed overheads, costs that remain constant regardless of the level of production or sales, such as rent, salaries of permanent staff, and insurance. Variable overheads, costs that fluctuate in indirect proportion to the level of production or sales, such as indirect labor and raw material. Semi-variable overheads, costs that have both fixed and variable components, such as utilities, where there is a fixed charge and a variable charge based on the overhead. Controllability classification. Controllable overhead, costs that can be influenced or controlled by the management of a specific cost center. For example, departmental expenses that are managed by the particular head of department. Non-controllable overheads, costs that are beyond the control of a specific cost center and are typically managed at a higher organization level, for instance, organization wide expenses like corporate office rent. Life cycle classification. Product development overhead, cost incurred during the research and development phase of the product or services. Production overhead, costs associated with manufacturing and producing goods or services. Distribution overhead, costs incurred in delivering products or services to customers. After sales service overhead, costs related to customer support and services after the product has been sold. Traceability classification. Direct overhead, costs that can be easily traced to a specific product, service, or cost center. This is often associated with variable costs directly linked to production. Indirect overhead, costs that can't be indirectly traced to a specific product or cost center. These are typically allocated or appropriated based on some allocation basis, such as square footage and machine hours and or labor hours. Conclusion. This classification provides a framework for analyzing and managing overheads cost strategically, allowing organization to make informed decisions or to optimize their cost structure and improve overall efficiency. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you.